How do you increase your butyrate levels naturally? We're going to go into that in this video. But what even is butyrate? Why is it so important? And why are people talking about it a lot more these days? Butyrate is one of the most important short-chain fatty acids. And short-chain fatty acids are the byproducts of probiotics. And what they do is they help with inflammation, they help with the gut barrier, they help with metabolism, they help with weight loss. Everyone thinks of good bacteria and bad bacteria. And we know that good bacteria are good, but the reason they're good is because they make these things called short-chain fatty acids, with butyrate being the most important one. To understand how butyrate works, think of it as like a composting bin. When you throw different vegetables, organic matter into the composting bin, they're broken down by things like your worms and into organic matter that become beneficial soil for things like your garden. Well, butyrate's the same thing. You eat your vegetables, your fiber, your resistant starches, they're broken down by the bacteria and produce these things called butyrate or short-chain fatty acids. And one of the biggest causes of low butyrate levels is the modern diet, stress, modern lifestyle. So if you're eating processed foods, sugars, you're not feeding the microbiome, you can end up with low beneficial bacteria and low butyrate levels. And the best way to test this is with a gut microbiome test like the Gutzuma or GI map. We'll go into a little bit more detail about those types of testing later, so you can see if you have low butyrate levels. But let's look at the benefits of butyrate and how it can help you. Butyrate is an antioxidant and it helps to reduce free radicals in the body. Think of your large intestine like a hub where free radicals can accumulate. If your body doesn't produce enough butyrate, it can't effectively neutralize these harmful toxins. By enhancing your gut's defense system, butyrate will help reduce oxidative stress and support overall health. It's like having a strong security team that keeps free radicals in check, protecting your cells from damage. Butyrate helps to maintain a healthy gut barrier, which basically means it helps prevent things like leaky gut. Butyrate acts like a gatekeeper by strengthening the gut mucosa. This helps to keep pathogens and unwanted toxins out of the bloodstream. At the same time, a healthy gut mucosa allows vitamins and minerals and the things you want to get into the bloodstream and help promote beneficial health get through. This selective permeability allows nutrients to get through and prevent harmful toxins from causing damage. Butyrate has also been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, so it's become neuroprotective. A lot of neurological problems like depression, anxiety are caused by brain inflammation. There's even research showing autism symptoms improved by reducing inflammation in the brain with butyrate supplementation. Butyrate plays an important role in blood sugar metabolism, not just by reducing inflammation, which is associated with things like obesity, by helping balance insulin levels, reduce hunger, and improving metabolism. Other research has shown that butyrate's been helpful for reducing blood pressure levels. It has anti-cancer compounds, helps people sleep, probably by reducing inflammation. The biggest benefits of butyrate are reducing inflammation in the body, balancing blood sugar levels and metabolism. Butyrate also helps to promote the healthy gut barrier. So you can see butyrate is super important. So how do you know if you need to focus on raising your levels? We can look at tests like the Gutzuma and see if you have low levels of butyrate. Then you can look at the beneficial bacteria on the Gutzuma test and see if you're low in some of these key butyrate producing bacteria. So the most important thing you can do to improve your butyrate levels is to increase the prebiotic foods in your diet that help to promote the bacteria that produce butyrate. And this is things like resistant starch, polyphenols from vegetables, fruits, especially the colorful ones. You want to get variety in your diet as well. A lot of people can tend to sometimes eat healthy foods, but eat the same foods all the time, and this is not going to help promote microbial diversity. If you've got a lot of opportunistic bacteria or overgrowth of parasites or pathogens, this is also going to affect your butyrate levels in the body. Whether it's from a higher demand for butyrate because of the inflammation caused by these pathogens, or you're just not producing enough butyrate from the good bacteria. Here's a list of foods that help to promote butyrate. As I said, it's the resistant starch like cooked and cooled potatoes, rice, green banana or green banana flour, nuts and seeds, wide variety of fruits and vegetables, legumes, lentils, and grains, especially things like oats, barley, rice. They can all help promote butyrate levels. And a lot of these you can't find in a probiotic supplement. On the Gutzuma test, you can see the bacteria that help to produce butyrate. Things like Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, Roseburia, Eubacterium. They're all key butyrate producers. And if you're low in these bacteria, it's going to be difficult to make enough butyrate. And if these names are unfamiliar, that's probably because they're not found in your traditional probiotics. You want to use things like the prebiotic foods to promote their growth, or even postbiotic supplements like Thenobiotic, which helps to promote a healthy gut microbiome. If you have very low levels of butyrate, low levels of the butyrate producing bacteria, one option is to take butyrate as a supplement. By improving your butyrate levels as a supplement, that can help to promote the butyrate producing bacteria, so that eventually you won't need to take butyrate long term. So just to recap, butyrate is important for reducing inflammation in the body, having a healthy gut barrier, preventing things like leaky gut, which can then have systemic health benefits like reduced brain inflammation, improved mood, reduced satiety, balanced glucose levels, reducing body weight. The best way to improve your butyrate levels is through diet. And also prebiotic supplements like inulin, PHGG or sun fiber, galacto-oligosaccharides, they can all help to promote the butyrate producing bacteria. If you're very low in butyrate, you may want to take a postbiotic like Thenobiotic or supplement with butyrate itself, which can then help to promote the right bacteria, reduce inflammation, and encourage a healthy microbiome. So everything I've talked about in this video, like links to the butyrate supplement, the gut Zuma test to find out if you're low in butyrate or not, have a look in the description below for the direct links. And if you found this video beneficial, don't forget to press the like button.